What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda. You want to keep your iPhone looking great? Well, one of the easiest ways to do that is to put a case on it, and I wanted to check this one out because it is adorable. It's a little TPU plastic clear case. It obviously comes in a bunch of designs, and this thing was super cheap, which is why I picked it up, because I am a cheapskate. I don't know that it shows the brand right there. It says Case Mobile, but it was like $6 for this thing. So you do get a nice little design. I went ahead and got the Elefante and the Bunny. They're both holding love balloons. You can see this is a kind of a soft TPU. It's actually pretty thin, really thin actually, but seems to have good rigidity. And you might be able to see here, if I put my hand behind it, maybe a little easier, you can see there are little air release bubbles, which is a nice detail on these, so you don't get that kind of puddling on the back when humidity gets it to stick. Now this one is the larger oversized iPhone. This is an XS Max, but this type of case is going to be pretty similar. Obviously it'll only fit on here as opposed to the new iPhone 11, but I want to just show you it's pretty easy to put on. We do have a little cutouts right here, little holes, actually they go all the way through, which will allow it to kind of hug those corners. Pretty easy to fit on there. I like that the cutouts actually meet the hole needs. Nice big cutout for lightning, but a smaller cutout there. And then we have molded in button on this side. You might be able to see that right there. And then I can use that button and then molded in buttons here, so not full cutouts, but then you can see, boom, look at that. Look at all that cute goodness. Now they are like, I don't know, they're almost like decals that are baked onto the plastic. I can feel them. You can kind of see a little bit of a ridge there. They have a little bit of texture. And then we also have a little ridge right here that protects the camera housing, which is nice. So you can kind of get all the color and style of the iPhone shining through the TPU here. The nice white case back, chrome ribbon around it. Pretty cool. Like I said, this thing was cheap, dirt cheap. And it's actually pretty flush with the edge there too. Dirt cheap. $6 for this thing. So I will put a link to it in the description if you want to pick one up. Peter von Panda, out.